How to fix message unavailable problem on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix a message unavailable problem on your Messenger, tap open your application. Make sure that you are logged into your Messenger account. So right over here, to fix this issue, firstly navigate to the three horizontal line that is in your left hand side. From here, click on the setting gear icon. Right over here at the bottom, you will see the option of privacy and safety. Under preferences, click on it. Under security, tap on end-to-end encrypted chat. From here, you need to select on the option of message storage. At the bottom, you will see the option of manage secure storage. Then you need to tap on turn off secure storage, after which the end-to-end encryption chat will be removed. Now, as you can see, it will pop up a backup right over here. So you can actually go ahead and refresh your chat feed, after which the unavailable message will pop up. Now, if it still does not work, you need to force restart your app. In order to do so, press and hold onto your application, head over to app info and tap on the force stop button and OK. After which, just tap on the open button from right here and check on the message that was seen as unavailable. So this is how you can fix a message unavailable problem on Messenger. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for this.